What if I told you there was a way to get paid just by posting about Polymarket? And honestly, most of you watching are already posting about this stuff for completely free. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can monetize your post without needing a huge following or any existing knowledge. Let's get into it. The way we're going to be making money off post is through the Bullpen creator program. Bullpen rewards its creators 1 cent per click and $5 when your referral makes their first deposit. We can see down here with the earnings calculator, you only need 50 customer sales to make $250 extra a month. This may not sound like much, but when I show you how easy it is to make these posts with AI, you're going to want to hop on this bull run as well. But if you're new here and you have no clue who Bullpen is or what they do, let me give you a breakdown. Bullpen is an all-in-one platform. You can trade hyperliquid perps, buy and sell spot, and even trade Polymarket's prediction markets. It honestly has so many features that I'm not going to cover in this video, but if you want to learn more about Bullpen, you can go back to my latest video. I explained it thoroughly. So the first thing you're going to have to do is go to the description and paste in this link, okay? We are going to have to apply to the creator program. You can see right here, these are the rewards, right? So we get 1 cent per click, $5 when a referral makes their first deposit, and we obviously get 40% of the trading fees as well. So you can see here, right? We get 50 people a month, $250 a month, and 50 customers is really not that hard. So we're going to go ahead and apply here, right? You have to put your name, email, all this good stuff. And once you're in, you should be looking at something like this. Okay, we are going to have to create our link, and this link is going to be linked to our Dub account. So every time someone clicks it, we obviously get the sales from it, okay? The only thing you have to do is go ahead and sign up for Bullpen in the description. Then you're going to want to take your link that's right up here. You'll see it says ref, and then it will be your referral, right? So we just copy that, put it over here, paste it, and we can shorten this link to whatever we want. Let's just do like 12AS. Okay, whatever we want, right? Create that link, and boom, we scroll down to the bottom here. This is going to be our link, and you'll see that if we put it in, it's going to take us directly to this page. And let's say I wasn't logged in, you would be credited once they go ahead and sign up off of your link. I'm not showing you guys these statistics to flex or anything, but I do want to show you what is possible, okay? $24,000 deposited off of my link. I made a lot of money off of this, and there's obviously bounties that you can go for, right? You have $500 bonuses if you make $10,000 in revenue, you know, $500 bonus for 1 million impressions on X. There's a whole bunch of different bounties that you can go for, and you can earn bonuses on top of the standard structure. Now that we're fully set up, I'm going to show you the exact method I used to get a lot of sales, a lot of leads, and a lot of clicks. So the first thing we're going to do is use AI to script out our tweets. All we have to do, I made a little prompt just like this. So we want it to help us create engaging tweets for my Twitter. We're going to be promoting Polymarket and Bullpen's terminal. We're going to be creating wallet and insider posts, current markets, and more. We always want to make sure we have a CTA so people click our affiliate link. And then what we can do is we can feed it some posts that did very well. So we can see here, right, this bot turned $900 into $208,000. This post got 2 million views. This guy made $1 million on the Seattle Seahawks, and you can see it's obviously a very well put together post. 22,000 views came out of this post right here. So all we have to do, just copy this post up, paste it in here, copy this one, paste it in here. Just like that, it has scripted up a bunch of content for us. So all we have to do now is go over to Wallet Scope, and I like using these settings, right? So let's say we wanted to find a very good trader that trades the sports, right? All we have to do, I like doing 100K P&L, minimum trade size about $1,000. And all we have to do right now is we can see all of these really great traders. If we click on their profile, we can see this guy's up $1.5 million. View his full profile. You can see he's definitely a very good trader. All we would have to do now is we just copy this, head over to Claude and say, I want you to make a post about this trader. See what it comes out with, and then boom, just like that, we made a very engaging post in literally like 10 seconds. So all we have to do is just copy that. Then if we wanted to make a post like this, we could just boom, paste that in here, maybe get rid of that emoji. Emojis don't really do well. And now we need to get our affiliate link. So all we're gonna do when we want to make a new affiliate link is we're on his profile, just copy this, go over to our dub links, create a new link, paste it in here. And right here, we can just name it something random, right? So we can just name it like his wallet name. So something like this, boom, create that link. Someone already made the short link, so maybe we just do like an underscore at the end of it. Now we have him right here. All we're gonna do is go over to our post, and then maybe we take like a screenshot of his wallet, just like this. Boom, paste that in here. And we can literally post this right now, and I'm guaranteeing this gets a few hundred views. You know, if you take the time to make it a little bit better, maybe add a zoom animation like I did over here, kind of zooms into his wallet, highlights the important stuff. Videos like this will normally get a lot more views. So that's just an example of something you can post. Something else I like posting is going to be during sporting events. Okay, so just posting, I'm betting on this team. Okay, so right here, I said the Oilers will destroy the Maple Leafs tonight. This is why. And then I have no clue anything about NHL hockey. I just said, write me a post about how the Oilers will destroy the Maple Leafs. I included a picture of the Bullpen market, and then I added a little clip from the game that I found on ESPN. Bullpen has a full creator guide that we give to our creators. Unfortunately, I cannot show this right now because it is exclusive to our creators, but we coach you and we make sure you have the best resources to go viral. So boys, if you want to start making money just by posting, all those links will be in the description. Watch the video back once more, make sure you have it all set up. You can go ahead and DM me and ask me any questions you have about Polymarket and what posts you should be making, if there's anything you guys need clarified. My Telegram and my Twitter will be in the description if you guys have any questions. Good luck, boys. I know you can make so much money doing this method. See you in the next one. Peace.